Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com, making this video at the end of the week, weekly recap about the trades taken by using this Magic Abbey system. So let's get started. This is the week started on the 6th, but the 6th was completely dead. In fact, one of my SL hit 25 pip, no big deal. And then this is the trade Aussie yen on the 7th. I think that was a Tuesday, the 7th. Okay, so this is nice and clean trade. On the 7th, CAD yen, because I was expecting yen to get strong a little bit, and and it did. So all the yen pairs went down, and this is why these yen pairs going down. On the 7th, euro yen also went down. Okay. I'll show you at the end of the video how one currency involved and different pairs, and all the pairs move simultaneously, and you can take advantage of this using this system. So, okay, now this is on the 8th. 8th was a very big day for me. Pound USD, pound got weaker, and all the pound pair went down badly. Okay, so I took advantage of that, and this is pound USD. These are see this one, 7-minute chart, right? And the other one is 7-minute. All these three yen pairs, yen trades, were 7-minute charts. But notice that this is 20-minute charts. I'm testing 7-minute charts, and so far it is the most beautiful thing I have ever made. It's working beautiful. And what happened today, I'll show you at the end of the video. So this was on the 8th on the pound pair, and then euro Aussie, 7-minute chart, nice and clean. I just took it for the heck of it. But see, pound yen, because of the pound, 20-minute chart, all the way down, 100 pip. And this was a big one. Pound Aussie, it moves always big, always. So 20-minute chart, 150 pip, all the way to, from 72.06 straight down to 70.36. These are weekly low numbers on the weekly chart from my analysis. And then on the 9th, I had only one trade, 90 pip. I had one SL hit for like 15 or 16 pip. And this is the one which went my way, and 90 pip. I closed the trade. These are now Friday. What happened on the Friday? Okay, I'll tell you what. I was expecting again pound weakness. And even this is the chart that I sent out to my subscribers, said this is the setup, and it should be coming down if we get the news in our favor. Okay, my strategy is if then, and even we are at the setup always breaks, right? So, it's no big deal. But we have to be aware that what is happening and what moves the market. The market is moved because of the fundies, the news. And technicals are just the points from start with and then go to, right? Where we're starting and where we're going. So this is what I was showing, that we are here at this station hitting this TL. And if the news comes in our favor, means if bad news comes out, a pound get weaker, this will go down, pound Aussie will go down, pound yen will go down, and we will take the trades. And this is pound Aussie. This is the first time I did the analysis because of a lot of people were asking, a lot of subscribers. So I said, okay, so this is the first time I did it, and went against me. But the thing is that this is what I tell everyone on my subscribers, and this is the beauty of the system, that even if something we're expecting and doesn't happen, and the price goes against us, the other side, we still win the market because of this system. So let me show you what really happened. Look, I see, I wrote it down here. Look for 7-minute entries. I didn't say short or long. If we go down, we look short. If we go up, we look for long entries. So what was expecting is this. You see this here on Forex Factory. You can see the calendar, and we had a news for on Friday, 4:30 pound red news. It's important. These are the red news are the one basically that moves the market. Okay, price start moving, especially in the London session. Pound news are the key. So this news came out at, you see, 4:30, and my broker is almost like 7 hours ahead, so it is like 11:30, right? And the news came out 0.4, expected less, 0.3, as I was expecting too. The pound news is going to come bad, and then pound will drop. But what happened? Better than expected, way better than expected. zero point 0.7, more than double. It's zero point 0.3 and it's 0.7. So pound got strong instead of getting weaker, right? So what is the reaction? Pound yen, pound Aussie, pound Newsy should be going up. So I had a little trade, an open trade, and it started to come down. Let me show you what it is. I think that's right here. See, pound Newsy, I had a trade open here, and then this is exactly 11:30. News came out. It started to come down. I had a trade open here. It came down. I moved my SL a little bit, and then I went to sleep because, my son was sick and I was very sleepy, tired. So I said, if it had to go in my way, fine. If not, what the heck? I just went to sleep. But look what happened after that. This is the whole thing, the whole show yesterday, last night, I missed completely. But it's okay. So what happened here? This is right at, 13, you can say 13:30. 2 hours later, this is the first long entry. You see that here the yellow line is above all the lines. That means we are bullish. We were bullish before the news even, right? And then the price dipped a little bit, but then again after that, it started to go up. This is the first long entry. Then this is the second. It would break, break even, SL hit, right? And then this is a third entry here, and this is the fourth entry here, and this is the fifth entry here. Look, straight, so many entries, okay? Even if my analysis on a 40-minute chart went wrong, means it went against, the news came out better than expected, and nobody knows when the news comes out. So my analysis was perfectly fine, but the news came out against me. But even then, what I'm saying is that look how many entries you had in pound Newsy. Similarly, in pound Aussie, if I wanted to show you that what happened in pound Aussie, this is where the news came out, 11:30, right? And even before that, it popped to the upside, and then right after it's 12. 30 minutes later, this is the first long entry, beautiful by the book entry, then the second entry, then the third entry, then the fourth entry. This is the entry that will probably go off. The SL will hit probably like maybe 15 pip, right? On a 7-minute chart, 15 pip, not more than that. So, and this is this one, and this one all the way. There's more than 100 pip here, more than 100 pip on pound Newsy. If you had taken this one entry here, okay, this is right from here even 60, 70 pip. So this is the power of the system, and these are, I'm talking about the 7-minute chart. 20-minute, there's one entry. If you miss, then you don't see any entry all the way. So if you take the first one, well, that's the best one, straight up all the way. But even with 7 minutes, you have several opportunities. Even, if the move already started here, no big deal, not to worry. You will get another entry, at least from, even let's say from here, the entry is right here, which is the price. Let me see. It would be 71.86. Okay, 71.86, and then for reversal, you can, reversal candle, you close, and it's 72.28. So 86 is the 15 and 28. So let's say 30, 40, 45. Oh, well, like 40 pip. If you use one standard lot, that's $400 right here. And then again, for maybe $300, $400 right here. If you would have catch this one, that would be probably $500, $600 right here. This is the power of this system. Okay, so this is how it is. And I show you all the trades. I did, right? Yeah, up until the 9th. So imagine how many, this is the 90 pip trade, this is 150 pip trade, this is 100 again, right? And 55 here, and then God knows what, maybe 40, 50 pip here. And the 7 minutes are small, right? So maybe, to 40, 45 pip here, probably 40, 50 pip here, again 40, 45 pip here, all of that. And today, last night, my 2 SL hit like 15 pip each, 7-minute entries. So that's 30 pip loss. And then in the beginning of the week, I would say maybe 3 or 4 SL were hit. So altogether, less than 100 pip of worth of SL hit. But you see that if the trade is good, how many pips I made altogether? More than 600 minus 100, still you come out with 500 pip for the week. Trades like this, 100 pip, 150 pip. And today, even, if I had been, awake for the night, I would have been, made a lot of pip today. But, that's just happened once in a while. So I was so tired, I had to sleep, and I woke up at like my time, 12 noon. So the action was completely done by that time. So this is how it is. A very powerful system. And if you wish to get it and learn it, just go on my website, subscribe, and start, trading like this and start learning. Once you learn, trust me, you'll be a master of this market. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.